How to create YouTube Kids profile. What is up everybody? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can quickly create a new profile on YouTube Kids. First off, you're going to have to download the application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then tap on open to open up the app. And once you launch the application, you're going to have to enter your email address here to check in. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on get started. And then from here, you're going to have to sign in using a parent's account that is most probably yours. So tap on show video if you want to see how you can log in. And if you already know this, tap on next and then select your account. If you don't see your desired Gmail here, tap on this drop down and choose from your list and then simply tap on sign in. Once you have done that, if you want to get emails with recommended contents, tips, or product updates, you can check this box. I'm not going to do that right now, and then tap on next. From here, you are already going to have existing accounts here if you've previously created any profiles. But if you want to create a completely new one, go ahead and tap on this plus icon. Now it will ask you for your password for verification purpose. So I'm just going to quickly enter my password here. Now, once you've entered your password, here you're going to have to name your child. So I'm just going to name it. Then from here, tap on done. Select his or her age. So let me just select somewhere around 14 to 15, or let's say 12, 13. Tap on OK. If you want, you could also select their birth month. Tap on OK and then tap on next. Now they will show you a recommended content for the age group. And then if you want to approve content yourself, just tap on this. So I'm just going to select this one right here and then tap on select. And once you have done that, you've successfully created a new profile for your kid. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.